Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have completed chapter 2, that is powers and exponents. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss a new chapter, squares and square roots. Let's move on to the topic. Consider the natural numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's multiply each number by itself. That means 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 7 into 7, 8 into 8, 9 into 9, 10 into 10. 1 into 1? Yeah, 1 square is 1. 2 into 2? 4. 3 into 3? 9. 4 into 4? 16. 5 into 5? 25. 6 into 6? 36. 7 into 7? 49, 8 into 8, 64, 9 into 9, 81, and the last one 10 into 10, 100. So these numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, etc. These numbers are called square numbers. These numbers are called square numbers. Today we shall discuss more about square numbers. Let's define square number. The product of a number multiplied by itself. Example 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16, etc. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, etc. The square numbers are also called perfect squares. That means 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. are called perfect squares. Second one, square numbers end in the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Square numbers end in the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Square numbers do not end in the digits. That means the remaining numbers from 1 to 9, that is 2, 3, 7 and 8. So the square numbers do not end in the digits 2, 3, 7 or 8. Square of an even number is always even. Here 2 is an even number. The square of 2 is 4. 4 is an even number. Square of 4 is 16. 6 is an even number, square of 6 is 36, etc. So, the square of an even number is always even. So, 4, 16, 36, 64, etc. are even numbers. Then, square of an odd number is always odd. Here, 1 is odd number, so square of 1 is 1. 3 is an odd number, the square of 3 is 9. 5 is an odd number, square of 5 is 25. So, 1, 9, 25, 49, etc. are called odd numbers. So, square of an odd number is always odd. We shall discuss the properties of square numbers. The number of non-square numbers between any two consecutive square numbers, a square and a plus 1 the whole square is equal to 2a. Consider the numbers 4 and 5. The square of 4 is 16 and the square of 5 is 25. The non-square numbers between 16 and 25 are 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Count. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers. So that is equal to 2 into the first number. 2 into first number is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. So the number of the number of non-square numbers, the number of non-square numbers between 16 and 25 equal to, here 2e, that means 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into the first number 4 equal to this property. The sum of first a odd numbers equal to a square. Consider the first 5 odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The sum of first 5 odd numbers, the sum of first 5 odd numbers equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 9 25. 25 equal to 5 square. So the sum of first 5 odd numbers is 5 square. So the sum of first a odd numbers a square. Okay. Next property, if the sum of the squares of two numbers is equal to the square of a third number, then the three numbers form a Pythagorean triplet. In general, it can be written as a square plus b square is equal to c square. A, b and c are positive integers. Let us consider the three integers are 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. So, a square plus b square, that means 3 square plus 4 square is equal to the square of 3. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. 25 can be written as square of 5 square. So, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So, 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplet. Next we shall discuss exercise problems. First problem from exercise 3.1. Without finding the squares of the numbers, find the ones place digit for the squares of the following numbers. The first one 38. Here the digit in the ones place is 8. The square of 8 square is 8 into 8 is 64. So in 64, 4 is the digit in the ones place. So the ones place digit for the squares of 38, for the square of 38 is 4. The ones place digit for the square of 38 is 4. The next question 65. Here the digit in the ones place is 5. So the square of 5 is 5 into 5, 25. So in 25 the digit in the ones place is 5. So the ones place digit for the square of 25 is 5. Next one 34. The digit in the ones place is 4. So the square of 4 into 4, 16. In 16, the digit in the unit place is 6. So the ones place digit for the Square of 34 is 6. 6. Second question, is 58 a square number? How do you know? We know that the square numbers end in the digits. We know that the square numbers end in the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Here, number 58, the digit in the unit place is 8. In 58, the digit in the unit place is the digit in unit place is 8. So 58 is not a square number. So 58, therefore 58 is not a square number. 58 is not a square number because the square numbers end in the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Here the digit in the unit place is 8. So 58 is not a square. What is the square of 50? Find out without actual multiplication. 15 square. What is the square of 15? 15 square. 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. So we have to find out 10 plus 5 the whole square. 10 plus 5 the whole square is 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 5 is equal to, first multiply 10 into the whole term, 10 into 10 plus 5 plus, next we multiply 5 into 10 plus 5, 5 into 10 plus 5 is equal to 10 into 10, 100, 10 into 5, 50 plus 5 into 10, 50 plus 5 into 5, 25. Adding 100 plus 50, 150 plus 50, 200, 200 plus 25, 225. So the letters 15 square. 15 square is equal to 225. Next question, using one of the properties of square numbers, find out which number can be squared to give the answer to the following additions. The first one, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. We know that the sum of the first a odd numbers is a square. Here we have to find out the sum of the first 4 odd numbers. So sum of the first 4 odd numbers is 4 square. So the required number to be squared is 4. So the required number to be squared equal to 4. The next question, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. The same as above. The sum of the first a odd numbers is a square. Here we have to find out the sum of the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sum of the first 8 odd numbers. So the sum of the first 8 odd numbers is 8 square. So the required number to be squared is 8. The required number to be squared is equal to 8. The next question, question number 6. How many non-square numbers are there between 8 square and 9 square? We already learned about the number of non-square numbers between a square and a plus 1 the whole square is 2a. So the number of non-square numbers between 8 square and 9 square is 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. The number of non-square numbers between 8 square and 9 square is equal to 2 into the first number 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Yes, question number 7. Which of the following numbers will have the digit 4 in the unit place? The first one 8 square. 8 square is 8 into 8 64. So the digit in the unit place is 4. So this is the answer 8. The second one B 23 square. So 23 is a 2-digit number. The digit in the unit place is 3. 3 square is 9. Also the square of 23, the digit in the unit place is also 9. So this is not the answer. Then see 44 square is a 2-digit number. The digit in the unit place is 4. 4 square is 16 and the square of 44, the digit in the unit place also 6. So this is not the answer. In option D, 82 square. 82 is a 2-digit number. The digit in the unit place is 2. The square of 2 is 4 and the square of 82 also the unit place is 4. So this is the answer. Find the squares of the following numbers. First one 42. You have to find out the square of 42. 42 square is equal to 42 into 42. Okay. So multiply 42 into 42. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 16 balance 1 7 1 1 7 6 4 1764. The next one 21. 21 square. 21 square means 21 into 21. 21 into 21. 1 2 2 2 2s are 4. 1 4 4. So 441. Next one, express 36 as the sum of 6 odd numbers. We have already learned the sum of the first A odd numbers is A square. So we have to express the sum 36 as the sum of 6 odd numbers. Is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. 36 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 36 can be expressed as the sum of the first 6 odd numbers. Next, question number 10. Can a square number have 0 in the ones place and a non-zero number in the tens place? Why or why not? Consider a number 20. Here the digit in the unit place is 0. Let's find out the square of 20. 20 square. 20 square is 20 into 20. 20 into 20. 0, 0, 0, 4. So 20 into 20 is 400. So in 400, here the unit place and the tens place are zeros. So here the answer is no. If a number has 0 in its ones place, the square number has 0 in both the ones place and the tens place. Question number 11. If 15 and 8 are two numbers of a Pythagorean triplet, find the third number. We already learned that if the sum of the squares of two numbers is equal to the square of the third number. then three numbers form a Pythagorean triplet. The first number is 15 and the second number is 8. First we have to find out the sum of the squares of 15 and 8. 15 square plus 8 square is equal to 15 square means 15 into 15. 15 multiplied by itself. So 15 square is 225 plus 8 square, 8 into 8, 64. Adding these two, 225 plus 64. 9, 8, 2 is equal to 289 is equal to 17 square. So 15 square plus 8 square is equal to 17 square. So 17 is the third number. The third number is equal to 17. Then question number 12. Can each of the following be a square number? Y or Y not? The first option 640. We already learned a square number has 0 in the ones place and in the tens place. Here the ones place is 0, the tens place is a non-zero number. So the answer is no. A square number has 0 in the ones place and in the tens place. The next option 493. We already learned in a square number n in the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Here the ones place is 3. So the answer is no. A square number does not have 3 in the ones place. Today we have discussed problems from exercise 3.1. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.